ladies and gentlemen, this is X Studios. So we take camera edition kazang lahba shanga din bentin ya Champions League ni. Akana tele ya. Kwambu Puni. Who is the young best player in football right now? Okay. And the player to win maybe future Ballon d'Or.
Okay, so before can go and children are for something and take the never by you the programs on. And cat you only the second time cat is in on the yell value to our. So back to our question, my boy a young player in Europe right now. Yeah. So and then I'll repeat that question.
Who do you think is the best young player in football right now?
Best young player in football right now. Best young player might be categorized in so many ways, but in Tokyo, a teenage footballer, be 20 and below. So I am call a category. I have a player so be better than Lamine Yamal, because this since 15 years, have introduced into Barcelona squad. He has been consistent doing it season upon season. So now among Lamine Yamal age brackets, he's just the top player. And last season, that win a Ballon d'Or. So hopefully in the next 2-3 years, Lamine Yamal could be a potential Ballon d'Or winner. There's no so much trust in Adagula and Madrid, but consistency can manager because coach they are rumors carrying until we begin next season. And Jude Bellingham not active, they will bench Adagula and start Jude Bellingham. But Lamine Yamal, he has been consistent. And Barcelona shifted Rafinha from a comfort zone to accommodate Lamine Yamal. So Barcelona is on trash, Lamine Yamal can play match upon match. Real Madrid will trust Adagula. Even though Adagula talent magbabian, but trust Madi can la. Lamine Yamal he has been consistent, and that's the easiest way to win the Ballon d'Or.
Yeah. Okay, so katika mnatele, who do you think is the most promising young defender world right now?
Promising young defender. The Biala nearby Sunsuni, and fortunately, they are all Spanish players. Pau Kubase of Barcelona is a very promising young defender, and he has been top class for Barcelona. And Dean Huijsen for Real Madrid, Dean Huijsen. Ankat you defense breaking passes, Shangontra. Nearby Toni Kroos, Madrid miss Toni Kroos. Antonio Dean Huijsen from defense, 4 passes. You see Toni Kroos in him. He is a defender with so much qualities. So Dean Huijsen too is a very promising defender.
Yeah, I could get all that time. I'll a champion.
A champion of
Chelsea.
And he's a very good defender.
So we're gonna have
but not at the level of.
Okay, so for your opinion, my league is competitive, like top 5 leagues,
the most competitive league, nearby Premier League. Even though I'm chance paint the Spanish fans have been started, be player and fans have been support Spanish football. Being started, and their question is, if the Premier League is the most competitive, will Man City and can take Premier League for 4 times consecutively? Yeah. I will. But you other leagues, come Spanish league for instance. Dumpa Barcelona is Real Madrid. These are the only 2 teams competing out of the whole 20 teams, man. So Spain, when Premier League, you see so many top class competing for the league. So then check a Premier League outstanding, man. I will bet. Anka to leagues, maza, and to France League 1. PSG has been dominating Serie A. Antonio Cassi 10 whole seasons. Juventus school win Serie A for 10 whole seasons. Antonio Bayern Munich in Germany. The Bugman League, so I'm back really in as much as nearby never admitted, but Premier League has proven to be a very competitive league so far.
Yeah, so I'm top 5 league mark for me. League this develop young talented.
Young talent over the past years.
Over the past years.
In world football, I can't really team Sheldon producer, big league Sheldon producer, match young talent. You definitely go Spain because I can't give history be of recent. Barcelona can 40 active players, young players in Yabaka producer, 40 active players can play in the top 5 leagues. So I'm you see first, second, probably third, but you will see the so-called best league in the world, Premier League, have a producer. Premier League Zoom have a dar already made players, but league seldom to produce promising stars, young players. You just go for Spain because Barcelona need to produce 40 players of recent. Kabza have the top 5 leagues in the world, followed by Madrid. Madrid to produce 35 players. Kabza Anchan to Nico Pass. He's one of the best players in the Serie A now. He's a product of Spain. So Spain has so many young talents, and Spain has been doing it consistently.
Okay. So how can I tell you, winning Premier League is harder than winning Champions League?
No, I'm not starting that question. Even though league win the very the top it's very difficult. It was playing 38 games home and away games, man. They've been very easy. Now got you champions of every league and land the Champions League, man. So I Gwan in your domestic league can qualify to play in the Champions League. So Gwana from all the leagues, man, land in the Champions League, man. So Champions League will be ahead of all the other domestic leagues, man. Even though domestic leagues, man, matches more than the Champions League. But Anka really the kind of competition Sheldon Bian. Example in the Premier League, Antonio Man City, they are playing against Burnley. But look at the Champions League round of 16 Sheldon Premier. You see top clashes carrying. So Champions League trala quality matches, top teams clashing, Kanye entertainment. You see Chelsea playing against Paris Saint-Germain. You see Kama I quality football. I also winning the Champions League then very difficult because facing the top teams in the other leagues is very difficult. The banning difficult gara win because assuming in the Premier League, Man City has been playing against Liverpool, against Arsenal, against Man U since the inception of the league. But Antonio Man City has been too far for years can play against Real Madrid. So playing against Real Madrid will be a competitive match for them. So don't you once a while 10 man. So the batch nyasimbere punu ka difficult balambere.
Okay, an kana tele midweek mo tumbal Champions League. So an pahama Liverpool min Galatasaray nyala ba yi. So an pahama Liverpool min Galatasaray. Team din sana ye strongest team.
Team Sheldon no strongest team. In the league Sheldon Liverpool actually. Liverpool is stronger than Galatasaray. When I got you last match, my Daniela revenge until Liverpool mean and it's slot no because group stages for Galatasaray that deal Liverpool 1-0 in the group stage matches just this season. So Liverpool am varne bo habiyar en Galatasaray mi gbawala am varne banan kama tara ku gara yala ya ka jinya ma kala kanya. So it will be a very difficult one for them.
Kan ba ma ko kan Galatasaray fans mo buntu tiba mo fi mi be kabdi Liverpool.
Always home support them for now very huge in football. The moment Kakunyara Yanga is a plus to you. So Galatasaray fans, they will always put them above. But Bugban Kanama me Dimiara home and away. Anfield atmosphere ma splendid.
La so an Pahama Mohamed Salah, Omin Victor, Mulinyi big time match player.
Mohamed Salah is all-time match player. No debate. No debate.
Mohamed
Salah has been doing it consecutively for so many times. Victor Osimhen already even that established, especially we are talking about Champions League. And Salah no history in Champions League. The yellow Victor Osimhen and a dreamer no to Melvin Shaw. So Salah is a top.
So I'm going match, but when you win a match,
I believe Liverpool will qualify. Liverpool will qualify.
Okay, to come that Man City Real Madrid bami. So Man City Real Madrid, I'm going to go through to run off 16 more.
Match to you match and that's one of the matches shall never put attention being younger because looking at recent head to head ma the kuchang to cook part of because of recent Man City win last 6 matches, Real Madrid win last 6 matches and they had 5 draws. So it's either Kasomo Guru or be draws and bouncing. And this match it will be a very difficult match. Considering Pep Guardiola has been in Man City for so many years, all projects you don't build Macazon builder and Arbelo Honor Kamna in Champions League. And you see Jude Bellingham and Mbappe are likely to miss the match, plus Rodrigo. So Madrid, the team man injuries. There are so many injuries in their team. Even though Manchester City too is not consistent. Anka Yulbuba performance, they are not consistent because seeing Manchester losing against Bodo Glimt, Hanka will be reliable. So that team no Maza Habiza Hanaka at their best levels. But can injuries may affect la Real Madrid in Man City because Madrid the top player. The players who Real Madrid team currently is Kylian Mbappe, and he won't be available or he might not be available because of the injury. And Jude Bellingham by Antonio won't available. So Madrid injuries it will definitely affect them, and I think Man City will go over.
Okay, so Ankpahama, Vinicius mean Ellen Haaland, who will perform well on that match?
It depends because I'm well player anyway. Maybe Vinicius is a little bit different, but Ellen Haaland when I Ellen Haaland performance, then you know team man you won't see Ellen Haaland. But Vinicius, even Madrid need to and Vinicius being a winger, being on the wing, to through la plash. Bet whatever Vinicius will do something, but I think it won't be enough. Man City will go over.
So Ankpahama, bu goalkeepers ma. Donnarumma mean Courtois. When the perform best in the match ma funi.
Always Madrid no pun yina. Halben Madrid 10 you see Courtois kaya kama. You won't. I am put Courtois performance out of 10 or even below 5. He has been doing it consistently and kind of one of the best goalkeepers of recent history. Uncle 1, 2, 3 can be included Thibaut Courtois. Don't worry, bias and Jala Abenmapu. Courtois has been doing it consistently, and this is Champions League. Liverpool fan, you can remember the last finals in Madrid, the kind of massive shapes save Changa Courtois and so Donnarumma is still coming up. Donnarumma na kutuba by Courtois level ma.
So to come at the Newcastle mean Barcelona. Kara Newcastle been too surprised James Park and to being in for Bola match man.
How Newcastle no winner as James Park, Barcelona will win them at the Camp Nou. Newcastle team they are very strong. They are playing physical football. They are playing Premier League standard direct football. Don't have to go down to the counter. So they rely mostly on their wingers. You can see Anthony Gordon, very important, but team man. You can see that the new striker Walter Made. So Newcastle being direct football and Barcelona playing quality football. And one thing shall need to know Barcelona can with this highlight shall be this season Newcastle near break a living too. Because having a player who is very fast like Anthony Gordon, when you break la offside trap too. So Hansi Flick, team the two so much rehearsals. Considering first league and James Park, and always home support is massive. So I believe Newcastle will win at their home, but Barcelona will qualify ahead of them.
So Ankpahama soon Bruno Guimaraes. Women Pedro, will they genuine pieces soon?
Bruno Guimaraes and
Pedro, genuine pieces soon.
These are two quality midfielders right now. Two quality midfielders. But consistency. Bruno Guimaraes has been consistent. But Pedri season with injuries due to ball. But even an injured Pedri and only the Benchama. But Mizaha performance, the sweeter level team who. Because Ansan Pedro na tipi Newcastle team man, Guimaraes nung dimension Newcastle team man, Pedro kuto nung. Same thing ka Guimaraes ba kuto nung dimension Pedro nung the Newcastle team man. So who nung win dominated will depend on team share and Ankat will possession football. Pedro and Barcelona they will always conquer the possession. And Pedro need to be Barcelona soon. Barcelona fan come you know so because Pedro will control the tempo of the game. And Pedro has been the best at that position, controlling the tempo of the game. Pedro has been very good. So when you're choosing one ahead of one will be extremely difficult. But they are all one best midfielders in their positions.
So for their teams. I'm gonna tell you wings map funny. Who is more dangerous? Anthony Gordon mean Rafinha.
Anthony Gordon is more dangerous than Rafinha.
Because
of Newcastle Premier football, Newcastle Premier football, they rely on Anthony Gordon. But Barcelona football ma they rely solely on Rafinha, even though Rafinha na can be yala plus ka motivate ba more. But Barcelona I can to watch be observe the matches between la wings ma be use Lamine Yamal wing ma more than Rafinha wing ma. And Newcastle when they just came up, they always rely on Anthony Gordon. So I am Newcastle need to Anthony Gordon be perform but attack ma be Maria. So for the two teams ma, Newcastle rely more on Anthony Gordon and Barcelona rely on Rafinha. So that's my reason can Anthony Gordon is a threat more than Rafinha.
So an kana tele Paris ba min Chelsea match mo. An pa ma bila two teams ma. Team musane no strong season.
Season Paris got strong strength Madrid can la. Because season big team man injuries play the pool. You can see Dembele to kind of injury in 1 or 2 matches can and chant dancing. Yeah. You can see Fabian Ruiz. Last season he was a key figure in Paris soon and season was dance below ball and all those kind of stuffs man. So even though Paris team didn't kind in terms of the performance, I am comparing leagues. Paris has been doing it in their league, even though nearly the France League, the Farmers League, not the Master Premier League, but I will positions in their respective leagues, man. Paris Bella ahead of Chelsea.
Okay. So to point ya between Osman Dembele, I mean cool Palmer, only shine la match map for.
2 players, I'm about 2 players. The cook collage with the Kamade Park, I was so fit to play them. Because Cole Palmer has injuries by pillow or ball map. And then Dembele was since Barcelona days back. Nero Kumio, Dembele Mumina shift the Malaria and all that kind of stuff. Dembele, the Tonon Kogabana available. But nearby Mazan Hani and Jenny, the way Dembele ni be Paris team man, but attack man and sharp, kind of very threatening. Shama, you just say. Chelsea defense ma could withstand the Dembele presence. Because Dembele need no press Richama. Chelsea playing with Acheampong and probably Uncle Tosin or Chaluba. Dembele and Bakula, Varaskelia, Desire these are top attackers. So being faced, I can't will Paris attack ma facing Chelsea's defense. The Chelsea's attack facing Paris defense. Chelsea attack man, João Pedro is the threat. Because season when lead Chelsea, he's the one taking Chelsea, and Chelsea season while Chelsea the 9 in top 4, they'll give most of the credit to João Pedro. But Paris has been consistent. How last season Bakula and that will miss a chance, and you can see he's now very clinical because of impressing in all finishing map. So I just believe Paris is far bit ahead of Chelsea.
Okay, so Paris means Chelsea. Will you make Champions League history?
Definitely Chelsea. Chelsea has won 2 Champions League. Paris naka 0. Kabnaka 1 rather. So definitely Chelsea my Champions League.
So I'm win a match man.
I see Chelsea winning because Chelsea is a miracle club. I'm a tired never know sure. They will surprise you. Are you the one that when that surprising in the Club World Cup? And Chelsea, I believe Chelsea will surprise Paris.
So I cannot tell you by Liverpool because I mean Arsenal. The Gunners. So Ankpama, Bella 2 teams ma, but attack ma. Leverkusen attack ma, I mean Arsenal attack ma. They send you more dangerous.
People will vex, but nearly being check the reality answer for this question. But the reality answer is Paris, Leverkusen attack ma. They're very threatening Arsenal attack. But one thing Sheldon very they are making match very interesting. Yeah. In as much as Leverkusen attack very strong. Bukutu break it through Arsenal defense ma Allah. As but they are not playing, they are not relying much on their attackers because after the last match, you can see a match whereby against Chelsea man, you see all their 4 backline, they had goal contribution, even though Hincapié wouldn't Maranyala own goal. But last match, without defenders, my attackers, they were nowhere to be found. And I got to you last yesterday in Bella, Arsenal Daniel match in the FA Cup, you can see the kind of small team Arsenal facing, they will win by 2-1. So Arsenal but attack dribbling that strong. But Leverkusen attack ma beaucoup to penetrate Arsenal defense. Arsenal defense ma is very massive.
So an kpahama Leverkusen bi strike ma min Arsenal strike ma bin yen no be head to head wala yen yang wala perform well garupi.
Definitely Gyökeres is top class.
Yeah.
Definitely.
So mani tenang beno Champions League mo beno. Let me come. I just want you to give me some scoreline, like how the Champions League and Sham. Maybe to look at Galatasaray Liverpool, who will win?
Scoreline.
Scoreline.
At the end of second, both legs might be first leg.
First leg.
Galatasaray and Liverpool. That's a Galatasaray home.
Galatasaray home versus Liverpool.
Galatasaray versus Liverpool.
Yeah.
And Florian versus back for Liverpool.
Yeah.
I see Liverpool winning 2-1.
Okay. What about Atalanta by Leverkusen? Sorry, Bayern Munich. Sorry, Bayern Munich.
Atalanta Bayern Munich.
Yeah.
Bayern Munich. Don't know if Hurricane being maybe one match. So Hurricane maybe they will rely on Jackson. And to the Jackson number history shall chance and Mr. So they rely so much. Betty and believe in the Bayern Munich that will do for pop. Then Tottenham are disappointed.
Jackson, I will move for Olympic form.
Pick for my bench. Because he has not been playing. But I just believe Bayern Munich will win.
Okay.
Narrow win. 2-1.
Atlantico Madrid be mean Tottenham match.
Bizarre have so yellow because considering the current run of form, Bizarre drive in Chenvin. But I see Atletico being to the goals against Tottenham. They not very easy. And got Tottenham banning against Atletico Madrid. So I see Atletico Madrid winning 3-1.
Okay, so what about Newcastle Barcelona?
Newcastle Barcelona, I see a 1-1 draw.
Okay, Liverpool see mean Arsenal.
Arsenal no winning. Balakwana.
Bodo Glimt be mean Sporting.
Bodo Glimt will surprise so many people.
And yeah, well, I can
Bodo Glimt will surprise
so
so
many people.
Because winning Man City, winning Inter Milan is not a child's play.
3-1 Cabral winning City.
Seriously. So Bodo Glimt, I see they will qualify.
Okay, so Paris Saint-Germain be mean Chelsea man.
Paris Saint-Germain I see Paris winning 1-0.
Okay, what about tough match, Mama? Real Madrid, Man City.
Real Madrid, Man City. This match, the absence of Kylian Mbappe and Jude Bellingham in the Madrid team affected the scoreline very, very much. Because Mbappe never be and Jude be expected for be attack match Mbappe current behind him, you won't see it. But I'll see a 2-2 draw.
Okay, so in Champions League, I'm going to my best 11 in Champions League. Bambiran of 16, my best 11.
No, I will be mentioning positions, right?
Okay, to teach him. Goalkeeper.
Current round, Manuel Neuer Kani. And Alisson has been poor. So definitely Thibaut Courtois.
Okay, right back.
Right back. I will go for Julian Timber of Arsenal.
Atamla Hakimi yera.
Me Hakimi yera.
Okay, right back.
Madden can.
Sorry, left back.
Left back. I see Nuno Mendes of Paris Saint-Germain.
Okay, two center back, mommy.
Two center backs. Very difficult. I see Van Dijk and Gabriel.
No, can move full, mommy. Banum cannot on song anymore.
Vitinha, Pedri, and Olise.
Can you know Bruno Guimaraes? No.
Bruno Guimaraes is a defensive midfielder, and I can't rate Bruno Guimaraes ahead of Vitinha. So those all can below because Vitinha too is a defensive midfielder, and statistics, my big numbers, are speaking for themselves. So those all can below Bruno Guimaraes because there's a Vitinha.
Okay, so attack man.
I see Vinicius Junior playing. I see a striker in the person of João Pedro, Chelsea João Pedro, and I see Bukayo Saka. Even though Saka form, they even not that effective. Lamine Yamal, he's a good player, but when you face a defense, Yamal, Luis Hall is not a joke. Luis Hall of Newcastle is not a joke. Lamine Yamal being nearly easy.
Okay. Nta te po ya pam ka pai. Zunga ka te ko insert jima. Pe ka te ko insert jima. Din ya first time bunu ka nye video yin like ma ka follow yi. Tina ma mo pam ne titin ya.